get started then. Just give your introduction and tell about your team.
Yeah, okay. Hello, my name is Nivedita, and I'm from Crazy Five, and we had a team of five. The first one is Supraja from chemical engineering, and Vaishnavi, Chandrudu, and COVID. We are from three different colleges, and we unexpectedly had a same crazy mindset, and now we are I'm gonna talk about our journey, and we didn't know that like how our journey got started, but the first video we got and we had success is Supraja's, and that is about birds video, and we have already shown to Shravan sir about this video, and he got connected with that, and through that confidence, and we had really a good interaction. We had a good team coordination firstly, because if we have divided our works at starting, but then after we have helped each other. Some had got less work and some got like heavy work, but we balanced our work. Some helped, for example, I have a videos and I have written script, and Supraja helped me in doing videos, and also Chandrudu have helped me in hosting. COVID have helped me in writing, like in making the song, and Vaishnavi, even though we didn't have a sleep, she's such an amazing girl. Like she have created her video at night, and she have helped us a lot, and also uh, then it was really crazy talk, like singing and everything. Before coming to ESL, there were many judgmentals on my singing, but after when I came to ESL, and that too in Crazy Five, I said for them that I'm gonna sing a song, like introduction song, and they didn't say anything. Like they say, yeah, you go on, you can do it, like that. So I'm really blessed with such an encouraging people, and these people are really very big supporters for me. And we all made a success together, and we all believed that we create happiness in what we do, and we have already created happiness, and we are enjoying it even now till now. So thank you. Is there anyone who wants to
I'll
speak?
continue from there. I'll continue from there.
Yeah.
First of all, good evening, everyone, to my seniors and my friends. I'm glad to be here in this success party, and I'm from Crazy Five. I'm Chandrudu from MBSR Engineering College. Uh, this ideathon was really amazing because there are no rules and regulations to us. We started this ideathon with Shravan sir's idea, and we can do whatever we can. I mean, we can present anything that strikes into our mind, and that too crazy ideas, uh, totally different from all others. And I was enjoyed a lot while doing teamwork. My friends say that if I didn't do any work, లైట్ తీసుకో అండ్ తర్వాత చేద్దాంలే అన్నట్టు. అండ్ ఉండని ఒకరోజు పోస్ట్పోన్ అయితే ఏం కాదు అన్నట్టు, లైక్. అండ్ దేర్ ఆర్ నో algorithms or such things to present. We had a lot of fun, and I've chatted a lot with my new friends, and that's really fantastic. And thank you to everyone for bearing me, and thanks a lot.
Yeah,
That's
like
it.
what Krishnan said at first, like we do mad things beautifully.
Yeah.
That's what we did. Yeah.
That's it. And
Like
next, Vaishnavi or
Vaishnavi,
Supraja.
I think Vaishnavi is out of coverage area. So Supraja, you can say your views or thoughts.
Yeah, okay. Our Crazy Five team was really crazy. We enjoyed a lot we worked together and made it successful. Our Crazyfy had a rap song from Covid Krishnan and a rap song by Nivedita and a video song which was done by me on birds, how they are affected by radiation, and a skit regarding how teachers and students communicate in a silly way. It's a crazy way, and this was very happy moments in our life. We were together for 3 days, and we uh, came to know about each other, and we freely gave our expressions, and we got success. We are really enjoying it till now, and hope we will be very happy and we will be successful in everything we do. Thank you. Is Vaishnavi there?
She is out of coverage area, so she
Okay.
won't be able to talk.
Okay, Shivakrishna.
He's not there in the call.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Crazy
Thank
Fry.
you very
Okay. Now
much.
let.
Yeah, thanks
Yeah,
to
you guys.
the yeah, Akka, yeah. Like we had also a call on before day with the Dr. Sharma sir, and that was the best moment for us. Like and like we have expressed our ideas and our innovations, and he said like he was so encouraging, and we didn't expect that, and really it was a memorable moment for all of us, and we have to thank to the other teams also, like bearing us like we have expressed like we have did the way we are, and thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you.
Actually, after the first call which I was hosted, introductions are there from one team. I terrified that we are doing this thing, and there is a lot of competition by seeing that, and they competed me a lot, and that makes me to ఎక్కువ వర్క్ చేయడానికి చాలా అనిపించింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
The next team is Team Doomsday. Is there any is there anyone in this team?
Everyone is there, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
No, I
thank
guess
you.
Deepak is.
He
Deepak will
joined, but
join.
he left, I think.
I think he will again rejoin the
Oh,
call.
Yeah.
okay, carry on, guys.
So,
After start.
me, okay. So, uh, our idea was really, like controversial amongst ourselves only. So, we were really concerned about how we want to present it to everyone, because we did not want to make it, offending to anyone. So we tried our best. We had miscommunications among ourselves, not miscommunications, I mean a little bit of uh, heated up moments, and yeah, we had it all, and then it really helped us to get new points. We listened to everyone's thoughts, and like added everything that we could, and yeah, it was a great 3 days, I, I want to say. So yeah, would you like to say something, Deepti or Vivekta, Apurva?
Yeah, can I start? Okay, so it was really fun, actually, because we were working in a team, and I mean, the thing which I understood was that even I can give ideas. I can give good ideas because I didn't know that before. So yeah, it was really good, and I really want to thank everyone in my team because they were really kind to me. Uh, Sometimes I wasn't available also, but then these people carried on and they did all the work. Yeah, it was really good. It was a really nice, interactive and learning experience, I guess. Uh, and it was whole. I mean, it was 2 days, two whole days. which I spent with them. It was really fun, in fact. I guess that's it. Would you like to continue, Apurva or Deepti?
I think Apurva cannot continue. I'll continue. Uh, First of all, we have taken a topic which we where we can't discuss humanity. It's like a ocean. We can't start somewhere, or we cannot end somewhere, or we cannot we cannot go in a single way. We have a team of 5 members. 5 members' thoughts were different, completely different. కొంచెం కూడా సేమ్ ఉంది అనుకుంటే అస్సలు కాదు. ఒకరు ఎస్ అంటే ఒకరు నో. ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ డిస్కషన్ లాగా లేదు. ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ వి వర్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ సేస్ యా వీ కెన్ డూ, సమ్మన్ సేస్ యా వీ కెన్ నాట్ డూ దాట్ అన్నట్టు నడిచింది. ఈవెన్ దో వీ హావ్ ఎంజాయ్డ్ ఇట్ బికాస్ వీ డిడ్ నాట్ టేక్ ఇట్ లైక్ we did not take that as very seriously. We have fought with our ideas, but not like manually or any like that. So we have enjoyed. Even we have enjoyed making Hafsa to speak in Telugu. She have even spoken Telugu and she's even chatting in Telugu now. I think she's like she have got open up. Before, when I've asked to speak in Telugu, she said, "No, I don't want to speak in Telugu." But when we were talking, yeah, she have come up with her Telugu speaking also. I felt happy for that. And next thing, 5 members ఎప్పుడు అట్లా కలిసి లైక్ కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయాం మంచిగా. బిఫోర్ కూడా మాట్లాడడం, బట్ అంతలా కాదు. ఇన్ దిస్ 3 days we have connected a lot. Yeah, we were cracking jokes on each other. It was funny. Enjoyed it. That's it. You want to add?
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
Purva,
Am I audible?
yeah, you're clearly audible.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate each of us because it's like success for everyone. We all did great job, and like congratulations to all the teams and Team Doomsday too. So it was a very good experience, the Ideathon. We thoroughly enjoyed it, and we it was brainstorming too because. Like Hafsa said, we always had these heated up discussions, but we never took it to heart, and that's where the beauty lies. And actually, having mentors that added more uh, value to the ideathon. We got so much support from them. Like it, Top Ideathon is a platform for all of us to showcase the ideas, to showcase the thoughts, talents we had, and our mentors also helped us a lot. Like we had a lot of fun. The interact like if I start saying about each and every member of our team, it's like we learned a lot from each other. Like Hafsa, she'll put all the like points correctly in order, and she frames amazing, amazing. She frames sentences amazingly, which actually ఏమంటారు ఇట్లా అఫెండింగ్ గా కాకుండా కరెక్ట్ పాయింట్స్ ని కరెక్ట్ గా పెడుతుంది. అండ్ దీప్తి coordinating, she really coordinates well. And Vivikta, I don't know where I got her. She like me and Vivikta did fun sessions. We
Same
were
here.
not very much into team. And Deepak is disruptive anyway. Uh, like we had this thing, wild thoughts by mild hearts ani. His intention was to save nature and to destroy humanity. And you can understand how wild he is at thoughts and how mild he is at heart. So we really had a very good session. So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you.
Deepak.
Um, when I heard this idea of, Thorpe Ideathon, it's going to be held in at some date. So first of all, I was thinking. I was thinking about a wild idea, and I thought of an idea that is doomsday, and I don't know if anyone will accept it or not because it's going in a totally violent way, right? But then I texted Deepthi whether she's interested or not, and then she said okay, and within no time, all the five of us are in a team, and we even started discussing and doing groundwork even before the event started. First of all, I got a really great team, and thank you all of my teammates for doing your work really well. And while discussion, we had I mean we had a really fun sessions whenever we were having a call. I mean, there was not even a second where we felt like pressure or where we felt like being pressured or where
Getting
we yeah, and where we haven't coordinated well. But overall, it's a really good experience, and most of it because of the teammates I got. So thank you, thank you all. That's it.
I would like to add something. Our ideas were so surprisingly spontaneous, you know. The thing that we did on the group introduction day with Deepak's voice and our part, we just planned that not more than half an hour ago, the actual presentation. So everything was so spontaneous with our group. We never knew when a new idea would come out or when our whole thing will be changed totally. So that's what I wanted to say.
And even about the presentation and all, we were just discussing, and we haven't decided on how we are going to present. During the update call, we planned our presentation on how we are going to present uh, present it just half an hour before that update call, and even during the even on the event day where we have to present our final presentation, we actually decided on how to do it 1 hour before prior to the event, and we practiced then. So other than that, we were just discussing, laughing, enjoying. That's it. So everything was totally spontaneous, and everyone was totally cooperating each other.
Yeah, great cooperation. When Thope Ideathon started, we were having our rehearsal actually. First and last
Yeah.
rehearsal.
after 5 minutes, we have completed our rehearsal and we have entered into that event.
Yeah.
And
And I want
before,
to add one more thing. Go on, Hafsa, go on.
No, no, no. Carry on.
Like what I felt is that because of this ideathon, we came to know our strengths and weaknesses also. And the surprising part is that all the people who attended there were ready to correct our mistakes, and that's a blessing.
Is everyone done with the same? Like, okay then. Thank you, Team Doomsday. Uh, and the next team is Ganadorus. Is there anyone from this team?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay, hello all. I'm Kushla from Team Ganaduri. Uh, I'm the only one present here as others are quite busy with their works. So our team name, actually one of the member of our teams came up with this name. We have three seniors and we both are first years, and we are quite a little bit nervous at first because having three seniors, okay, how the interaction will be and all those. But our interaction since the first meet, we five of them have together, it was fun actually. It's more like a normal five friends talking with each other rather than a senior and a junior. And we shared our thoughts. Actually, at first, when we got to know this ideathon event, I'm confused, to be honest, because I know about hackathon, but ideathon, this is first time I'm hearing about it. And sir told to come up with some crazy ideas, so I'm confused. Even seniors were a little confused back then, but when we are discussing and interacting, we don't know how, but all those ideas popped up, many ideas. But then we concluded with the one idea. But even the day before the ideathon event, we thought to change the topic. Actually, one of the sister came up with another topic, so we merged both of the topics and used them in a video. And also our interactions are pretty fun and contradiction, as well as I think I gained a little more knowledge from seniors while interacting with them, like their thoughts and their ideas and everything. I'm surprised, and they are really amazing. And everyone, I want to thank each of them for supporting and sharing and helping each other. Also, every team participated in Ideathon. Everyone did amazing on that day, really. Also, I hope we can participate in Ideathon in future too. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
And one thing, I really thank Tejasri Akka, the host of the event, because starting లో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవడం రాకపోయినప్పుడు షీఈ్ లైక్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ us. And thanks Akka, thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
స్పాంటేనియస్ అసలు
Yeah,
డైలాగ్స్
you
కానీ
really handled it well.
Yes, sir.
చాలా బాగా చేశారు అక్క.
థ్యాంక్ యూ దీప్తి.
Even
మీరు ఇంత పెద్ద మాట్లాడుతున్నకేం మాట్లాడట్లేదు.
your expressions are calm akka on that day. Even when a little bit, when the presentation problem is happening, you are calm and you are calming everyone down, and we felt amazing.
See, I came here to appreciate you all, okay? Because you see, though in so many, like we are everyone, mostly of you are first years have joined and you are making this event, and me started yourself started meeting and doing that is very appreciable. um, so I'm very happy you people are came with the crazy ideas. You don't want to be like చేయలేకపోతున్నామన్న బాధ ఉండకూడదు కదా మీకు. సో అంతే, జస్ట్ మాట సాయం చేశాను అంతే కదా.
Thank you for that concern, Akka.
ఓకే అండి అపూర్వ గారు.
నిజంగా ఆ రోజు
That
అక్క
really made the
యాంకరింగ్ అయితే
event.
ఏంటి దిబక్?
నిజంగా ఆ రోజు అక్క నీ యాంకరింగ్ అసలు టోటలీ ప్రో లెవెల్లో ఉంది తెలుసా, అసలు రియల్లీ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
జెన్యున్ గా వచ్చింది అక్క.
జెన్యున్ గా
అది తను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయలేదు తెలుసా. ద డే 1 అంటే అప్పుడు ఆ డే మార్నింగే అంటే అప్పుడు రెడీ అయింది. ఎప్పుడు 7 కి అట్లా, 9 కి మీటింగ్, 9 కా 10 కా.
నువ్వు ఇంకా శివ
ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ద ట్రూత్. హిమాలయాలు ఉన్నాయి నా వెనక. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ అయిపోయిందా?
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Next, team trash. Is anyone there from the team trash?
Yeah, we are trash.
We really Shivani in the meet that day. Probably me missed very much.
Wow.
Shiva,
So
tell me.
Teju, can you start?
No, you have to start. Na vini bore kodutadi villaki.
Okay. So the whole concept. Okay, shall I start?
Start.
Yes.
First of all, the whole concept of team, like making a team top ideathon is వేరే లెవెల్. అంటే లైక్ సార్ అంటే వేరే అమెరికా అంటే స్టేట్స్ లో అంటే వాళ్ళ చిల్డ్రన్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు అన్నట్టు సార్ అనుకున్నారు. లైక్ వై కాంట్ వి డూ దిస్ హియర్, అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా అయితే అనుకోండి.
కానీ లైక్ సార్ నుండి వచ్చింది కదా. అట్లా తోప్ ఐడియాథాన్ అంటే ఎట్లా ఐడియాస్ తో మాట్లాడతాం కదా మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఐడియాస్. సో ఐడియాథాన్ అంటే ఎట్లుంటది అన్నట్టు ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ కదా. ద స్టార్ట్ ఇస్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ బిగ్ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఫర్ అస్ బికాస్ శ్రవణ్ సార్ లేడ్ ఏ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫర్ అస్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్. దాని నుండి ఏమొస్తుందో తెలియదు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్ అనేది తెలియదు కదా. సో అట్లా ఇమీడియట్లీ అదర్ టీమ్స్ లైక్ టీమ్స్ స్టార్టెడ్. ఒక్కొక్క టీం ఫామ్ అయింది అప్పటికప్పుడే. ఈవెన్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ కాలేజెస్ ఆల్సో. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏమంటారు అచీవ్మెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. అంటే వేరే కాలేజెస్ నుండి లైక్ వీఆర్ అంటే మన ఫ్రెండ్సే మంచి బాగుపడాలని అరే రండిరా అన్నట్టు పిలిచాము. సో అదర్ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో కేమ్. వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. అట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయింది. మా టీం కూడా ఫామ్ అయింది, ట్రాష్ టీమ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇట్ వాజ్ స్టార్. వి స్టార్టెడ్. మాకేం తెలియదు స్టార్టింగ్ ఏం చేయాలో తెలియదు, కానీ సార్ సెడ్ టు జస్ట్ డిస్కస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ టు డిస్కస్ అండ్ వి స్టార్టెడ్. సో I wrote some points, that's why. Yeah. మాటల్ అంటే లైక్ ఓన్లీ డిస్కషన్స్ వల్ల సి హౌ మెనీ థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్యాదర్డ్. మెనీ మెమోరీస్, ఫన్ ఉండే, కంటెంట్ ఉండే. ఎట్లా అంటే ఒక అసలు ప్రపంచంలో దాని గురించి మాట్లాడనేది మనం మాట్లాడినాం. హౌ టు డెస్ట్రాయ్ ఇది, హౌ టు వేస్ట్ వాటర్, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ కదా. సో దీన్ని కూడా ఆలోచించచ్చు అన్నట్టు అట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో మా టీం అయితే హరిచందన్ యాడ్ అయినాక ట్రాష్ అయిపోయింది. సో వి ఓడ్ టు వేస్ట్ వాటర్. అలా ప్లెడ్జ్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో అలా మాట్లాడుతూ డిస్కషన్స్ వల్ల హౌ క్రియేటివ్ వీ కెన్ బి అన్నట్టు అర్థమైంది అనమాట. Just by discussing, just by letting others talk, just by respecting them, valuing them, listening to them, that's it. Correct or wrong, not judging others. All these things are one of the basis for all the outcomes we have got. I didn't attend the meeting, kani I saw all the YouTube videos of all the teams, and I am happy that every team has got like it's unique థింకింగ్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్ అన్నమాట. కొందరేమో ఏమంటారు ఏదో పిప్పెట్ షో చేశారు, కొందరు సాంగ్స్ పాడారు, కొందరు డైలాగ్స్ చెప్పారు, కొందరు లైక్ మెనీ థింగ్స్. ఎంత క్రియేటివ్ అసలు, ఎంత మంచిగా అనిపించింది అసలు. సో విత్ ఫన్ అలానే కాకుండా వి ఆల్సో గేవ్ ఎ మెసేజ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ఫన్ చేస్తూ. లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మా టీమే తీసుకుంటే ట్రాష్ టీమ్ కేమ్ అప్ విత్ ఆల్ ద వేస్, సిల్లీ వేస్, జస్ట్ సిల్లీ వేస్. వి వర్ జస్ట్ లాఫింగ్ ఇన్ ద కాల్. అసలు ఎన్ని 3-4 hours, అసలు గంటలు ఎంత ఎప్పుడు కలిసినా అర్థం కాలే. అట్లా లైక్ we were silly, we were crazy, we were laughing like anything, we were discussing, we were letting others talk, we were letting us express ourselves in front of others. So ఇట్లా లాస్ట్ కి మేము ఒక ప్లెడ్జ్ తయారు చేసినాం. ఒక ఏమంటారు వాటర్ బెస్ట్ సేవర్ అవార్డ్ ఇచ్చినాం. సో ఎట్ ద లాస్ట్ ఏం చేసినాం, మొత్తం ఇది అయిపోయింది. లైక్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద సిల్లీ థింగ్స్ వి డిడ్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద క్రియేటివ్ థింగ్స్ వి డిడ్ అందరం. అండ్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ వి సెడ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సేవ్ ఇట్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు సేవ్ వాటర్. అట్లా తర్వాత లైక్ మీనా మ్యామ్, శర్మ సార్, శ్రవణ్ సార్ వీళ్ళందరూ వచ్చి సజెషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం, లైక్ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ వాట్ వీ వర్ డూయింగ్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్స్. మళ్ళీ మీటింగ్ లో కూడా లైక్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో కూడా అందరూ ఆల్ ద మెంటర్స్ హూ హ్యావ్ అప్రిషియేటెడ్ అస్, దే వర్ జెన్యూన్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. అండ్ అసలు వీ హ్యాడ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫన్ అండ్ దిస్ whatever the thing we have learned here, will like help us in coming days, like teamwork, same respecting others, valuing others, not judging them. That's it.
That will help
Teju,
all the
can you?
time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I just want to add. See, guys, I think you people have just enjoyed while looking at the team trash, like the because it is combination of much humor, right? So I think hope you all enjoyed it. But one thing, the time which we have taken, the 15 minutes, is only the presentation, but the time behind is we have sat so many hours and keeping on laughing. Do you know, guys, how much fun it was? So for we have written pledge, right? So that pledge, in between we have to insert the silly words. For that we have taken so many words. So we are have to add this, add that. So that way of thinking made us to write the pledge. And after writing the pledge, we came up the idea of video making, that too in the private place bathroom. So that is one also is a comedy. And the next we have thought about the movie dialogues that has to be and asked, but we should ask to the people such that it will be a like interactive session also. So that so many creative ideas, no, people in our, I understood that my like in team trash there are so many crazy people. Like, see, this is not only team about I am, because I was interacted more with trash, so that's why I'm selling. But when I saw all your crazy fight doomsday, I was like amazed, especially that birds video that made me very ejected. See, I really thoroughly enjoyed. You people are saying that I have hosted very well because that energy came from you, that you are presentations, your words, everyone is looking something like interesting. That made me to talk so many things. So that energy is came from all of you.
అక్క ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అక్క. లైక్ నేను చాలా షివర్ అవుతుండే లైక్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో వీడియో కోసం. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎంకరేజ్డ్ మీ అ లాట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
We are there for you, Nivedita. ఎప్పుడు లైక్ సో
థ్యాంక్ యూ
అది
అక్క.
నేనేం హెల్ప్ గా కావాలని అంటే హెల్ప్ కూడా అనుకోవట్లేదు, బికాస్ దట్ ఈస్ మై డ్యూటీ. దట్ ఐ వాంట్ మేక్ షూర్ ఆల్ మై జూనియర్స్ అందరూ ఫ్రీగా ఉండాలి. దే వాంట్ టు ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్, దట్స్ ఇట్. అంతే. అండ్ మీరు చేసిన ప్రజెంటేషన్స్ చాలా బాగా నచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్స్. ఎవ్రీ వన్ సూపర్. ఒక్కొక్కరు ఒకలా చాలా బాగుంది. ఐడియేషన్ అంటే చాలా నచ్చేసింది. ఇంకా 2021 2022లో మీరు చేయండి ఇంకా.
కాదు, భయపడుతున్నా అని నివేదిత అంటే నాకు ఒకసారి భయమైంది మరి.
ధనుష్ వచ్చాడు.
హాయ్ ధనుష్ అన్న.
హలో హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
అండ్ ఫస్ట్ వీడియో మేము చేసిన దానిలో ధనుష్ ముందే లీక్ అయిపోయింది.
అసలు మా తరపు నుండి అది క్రేజీ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మేమందరం 11కి అనుకున్నాం, 10కి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అప్పటికి 60% కూడా కాదేమో అది.
అవును, ఎంత బాగా ఎలా వచ్చింది మరి అంత టైం?
ధనుష్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కాల్.
అయ్యో
కాదు ధనుష్, ఆ టైం ఎలా సెట్ చేసింది మరి?
ఇట్ వాజ్ ఏ ప్లెజెంట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దట్ ఈస్
ప్లెజెంట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్. అంటే ఆ రోజు దాని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ వర్క్ అనేది మాత్రం నేను అనుకోలే అంత ఇదే ఉంటుంది అనేది. ఇట్స్ వాట్ ద కమ్యూనికేషన్. అంటే మనం కొంచెం పెద్దవాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు కమ్యూనికేషన్ అనేది వి విల్ గో ఇన్ ఏ ఫార్మల్ వే, రైట్? బట్ అది అనుకోవాలి మరి అంత స్టూపిడ్గా అంత గ్రేట్గా కమ్యూనికేట్ అవుతా నేను అసలు అనుకోలేదు జీవితంలో. అండ్ అంతే. మా టీం అయితే టీం ఎఫర్ట్ ఈయనకి ఏం చెప్పాలో కూడా ఏం చెప్పాలనంటే అంతే. They are dynamic. They are dynamic. అంతే.
They are hitters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Thank you, Anna.
you hit hearts.
Yeah.
అది
And
చాలా బాగుంది అసలు కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా. మీరందరూ కోఆర్డినేషన్ బాగుండే, అది నెట్వర్క్ కూడా లేకుండా చిన్న చిన్న అంత నీట్ గా అర్థం అయిపోయింది చూసే వాళ్ళకి.
okay,
నమ్మలేకపోతున్నాడు.
thank you అక్క.
Thank you, Anna. Is there anyone from Team Virasius?
వెరేషియస్ అదేనా, లైక్ పపెట్స్?
Yes, Akka.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Is there anyone from the team?
కాకపోతే వస్తా అంది తర్వాత.
Any experience, like anyone want to share about their experience regarding the soap ideathon, how they were doing the projects? అన్న చెప్పొచ్చు కదా, నవ్వుతున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ గివింగ్ ద గ్రేట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. అంటే ఇట్స్ ఓకే అన్న శివాని.
ఓకే, ఎవరి గురించి చెప్పాలి? వెరేషియసా? సౌమ్య అక్క గ్రూపా?
కాదు, వెరేషియస్ అంటే
చేశారు కదా అక్క అది.
శిరీష. శిరీష.
ఓకే, ఇంద్ర సంథింగ్, ఇందిరా, శిరీష వీలేనా?
అదే అదే.
దేవర్ హోల్ అంటే మొత్తం శిరీష వాజ్ కంబైన్డ్ విత్ ఆల్ ద జూనియర్స్ అండ్ అవుటర్ అంటే వేరే కాలేజెస్ నుండి.
అవునా?
యా, ఇట్ వాజ్, దే వర్ వెరీ గుడ్ and I like their presentation, the way they presented with so much of confidence, and everyone gave them good feedback kada.
Yes, yes.
Loved listening to them.
Yeah, I really love that puppets. That girl, I forgot her name, but I really enjoy the way she's showing that.
Yeah.
Hope she's there. No, I could not find her.
Oh, she is not there, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, she is not from first year chemical engineering.
Okay, okay.
Nice. It showed how good they were as a team.
Like, it showed their innocence, Shivani.
Yeah.
No, she's innocent. I really like that.